All right, right here we have a Broadfeet 2011 to 2017 BMW X3 running board. What we're doing here is I'm gonna do a quick product review of how to install this part. So after you remove the factory rocker panel, keep all those hardware aside because we would reuse those for the insert of the bottom running boards and as well as the fender where the two screws would go. So those would require the factory hardware. In terms of the aftermarket hardware, we have the kit here. What you will see in this kit is you will see a rivet nut and the rivet screw. The rivet nut will go into the factory hole. To where the factory hole goes, right? You will secure it with this special tool that we have. One side will go to an impact gun and the other side will be held with a wrench. Once you secure that, this rivet nut would expand out and that would become like a stud for your screw to hold it into place. So now with the rivet nut, the concept is this rivet screw will feed through all the way through and it will be held by the rivet nut in the back. Repeat this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times to each side of the running board and this will secure it into place. Then you would use these black ABS. The round ones will cover this rivet hole here so then it will look more flush and the black rectangular ones will cover this main hole that's over here. But before you do that, you will notice black screw can be used to secure this inner piece into the vehicle. We would use this white piece to plug this in, and that would hold. Now, if you want to see these on your vehicle, make sure you stop by, check us out at www.broadfeet.com.